every new iteration of Leica's Q series sparks the familiar question among photographers and enthusiasts: should they invest in the current model, or wait for the next one? Even though the Leica Q3 is still a recent release, attention is already turning to the Leica Q4. Traditionally, Leica has maintained a roughly 4-year release cycle for its Q series, with the original Q launching in 2015, followed by the Q2 in 2019, and the Q3 in 2023. However, rapid technological advancements and intensifying competition in the compact full-frame segment may prompt the Q4 to arrive sooner than expected. Early rumors suggest the Leica Q4 could introduce transformative features, redefining expectations for what a compact full-frame camera can achieve. The Leica Q series has long been celebrated for blending Leica's classic design philosophy with cutting-edge imaging technology. When the original Q debuted, it set a benchmark for compact full-frame cameras by pairing a fixed prime lens with a full-frame sensor, delivering exceptional image quality in a travel-friendly body. This approach resonated with both professional photographers and enthusiasts, offering the unmistakable Leica aesthetic and tactile experience in a form small enough for everyday carry. With the Q2, Leica expanded on this vision by incorporating a 47-megapixel sensor, enhanced weather sealing, and refinements in usability, strengthening the series' reputation for combining tradition with innovation. By the time the Q3 arrived in 2023, Leica had further raised the bar, introducing a 60-megapixel BSI sensor, phase detection autofocus, and advanced video capabilities such as 8K recording. Each generation demonstrated that compactness need not come at the expense of performance, and the Leica Q4 is expected to continue this trajectory. Rather than being a mere incremental update, the Leica Q4 is rumored to represent a significant leap in performance and functionality. Leaks suggest that Leica may introduce a stacked CMOS sensor, dramatically improving readout speed, dynamic range, and rolling shutter performance. This upgrade could align the Q4 with the performance of top-tier mirrorless systems from Sony and Canon, offering near-instant sensor readout, faster autofocus, and enhanced video recording options. A stacked sensor would also improve low-light performance, producing cleaner images at higher ISO settings and preserving color fidelity and shadow detail. This would be particularly advantageous for street photographers, documentary shooters, and filmmakers working in challenging or unpredictable lighting conditions. Autofocus is another area where the Leica Q4 is anticipated to excel. While the Q3 introduced phase detection autofocus, the Q4 may include AI-powered subject recognition, advanced eye and animal tracking, and predictive algorithms that rival leading mirrorless systems, all within a fixed 28mm Summilux lens. These improvements are critical for capturing decisive moments in street photography, environmental portraits, or any scenario where timing is crucial. For hybrid creators and videographers, an advanced AF system would ensure consistently sharp focus in both stills and video, even when shooting fast-moving subjects or dynamic scenes. Video capabilities in the Leica Q4 are also expected to see substantial enhancements. While the Q3 impressed with 8K video recording, the Q4 may refine this further through better thermal management, extended recording times, and higher frame rate options in 4K. These improvements would make the Q4 a versatile tool for hybrid shooters who require both stills and motion capabilities, potentially allowing it to compete with professional-level systems such as the Sony FX3 or Canon R5. Combined with Leica's renowned optics, the Q4 could deliver cinematic results in a compact, travel-friendly package, bridging the gap between portability and professional performance. Low-light performance is likely to improve as well. The Summilux 28mm f/1.7 ASPH lens already performs admirably in dim conditions, but when paired with a stacked sensor and updated image processing, the Q4 could deliver even cleaner, more detailed images at higher ISO settings. Enhanced color accuracy, better shadow retention, and extended dynamic range would further expand its capabilities, making it a reliable choice for photographers and creators operating in unpredictable lighting environments. Leica's design philosophy favors subtle, thoughtful refinements over radical reinvention, and the Q4 appears to follow this approach. Leaks indicate small but meaningful updates, such as a slightly lighter body, a more comfortable grip, and repositioned buttons to improve ergonomics. These refinements aim to enhance usability without compromising the minimalist, timeless aesthetic that has defined the Q series. One of the most anticipated hardware upgrades is the electronic viewfinder. The Q3 featured a 5.76 million EVF, but the Q4 may push resolution even higher, potentially to around 9.44 million dots, with faster refresh rates to eliminate lag. This would provide a more immersive and precise viewing experience, aligning with the expectations of premium Leica buyers. The rear LCD screen may also see a notable upgrade, potentially becoming fully articulating to accommodate vloggers, hybrid shooters, and creative angles. Improvements in touchscreen responsiveness, menu navigation, and customization would create a more intuitive and streamlined user experience, addressing feedback from Q3 users. Connectivity enhancements are also expected, including faster wireless transfer speeds, tighter integration with Leica's Photos app, and improved tethering support. In a world increasingly reliant on real-time sharing and cloud-based workflows, these upgrades could make the Leica Q4 a more efficient tool for professional photographers and content creators alike. In-body image stabilization, already present in the Q3, is likely to be upgraded further in the Q4. Rumors suggest up to 8 stops of compensation, combined with the Summilux lens, which would make handheld shooting at slower shutter speeds far more practical. This would enable creative possibilities that were previously challenging in a compact fixed-lens camera, such as low-light street photography, long exposures, and stable video capture without external gimbals. Timing and pricing remain critical factors for the Q4. If Leica adheres to its traditional 4-year cycle, a release in 2027 would be expected. However, speculation points to a potential acceleration, with the Q4 possibly arriving as early as late 2026 to respond to market competition and rapid technological advancement. Pricing is likely to remain premium, with the Q3 launching around $5,995. Given the rumored stacked sensor, AI-driven autofocus, video improvements, and ergonomic refinements, the Q4 could easily surpass $6,500, potentially approaching $7,000 depending on global market conditions and configuration options. While high, this price would reflect Leica's enduring focus on craftsmanship, brand prestige, and the unique photographic experience it offers. Performance-wise, the Leica Q4 is expected to represent a true generational leap. From its stacked sensor and AI-powered autofocus to enhanced video and low-light performance, the Q4 could set a new standard for compact full-frame cameras. It is likely to attract both longtime Leica enthusiasts and newcomers seeking a portable yet high-performing camera capable of professional quality results. However, its success will also hinge on timing. With competitors like Sony, Canon, and Nikon continuously releasing new models, and smartphones encroaching on casual photography, Leica must balance innovation, quality, and release schedule carefully to maintain the series' relevance. In conclusion, the Leica Q4 appears poised to redefine expectations for compact full-frame cameras. Its rumored upgrades, including a stacked sensor, AI-enhanced autofocus, advanced video capabilities, improved low-light performance, ergonomic refinements, and enhanced connectivity, suggest a camera that can appeal to a wide spectrum of users. From street photographers and travel shooters to hybrid creators and professional filmmakers, the Q4 could offer a rare combination of portability, performance, and design excellence. By staying true to its design philosophy while integrating modern technological advancements, Leica may once again set a new benchmark, proving that the Q series remains one of the most innovative and desirable camera lines in the market.